Let us learn consensus theorem.
This theorem helps us simplify the Boolean equations.
There are two statements giving consensus theorem. The first one is AB or A bar C or BC is equal to AB or A bar C. We know that y or 0 is always equal to y, whereas y or 1 is always equal to 1. So, if BC is equal to 0, it implies that AB or A bar C or BC will be equal to AB or A bar C, whereas if BC is equal to 1, it will imply that AB plus A bar C plus BC, that is AB or A bar C or BC, is equal to 1. BC equal to 1 implies B is equal to C equal to 1. So, with BC equal to 1, if A is equal to 1, AB will be equal to 1, whereas if A is equal to 0, which will imply A bar equal to 1, and so A bar C will be equal to 1. Thus, with BC equal to 1, we will have AB plus A bar C always equal to 1. This shows that AB or A bar C or BC will be equal to AB plus A bar C for BC to be equal to 0 as well as for BC to be equal to 1. Hence, this theorem is satisfied for both the conditions of BC, showing that BC is a redundant term, and we can always then write that AB or A bar C or BC is equal to AB or A bar C. Let us have a look at second statement of the consensus theorem. It says A plus B and A bar plus C and B plus C is equal to A plus B and A bar plus C. We know that y and 0 is always equal to 0, whereas y and 1 is always equal to y. So, if B plus C is equal to 0, it will imply A plus B and A bar plus C and B plus C is equal to 0. But we know that B plus C is equal to 0 if and only if B is equal to C equal to 0.
So, along with the condition of B plus C equal to 0,
if A is equal to 0, this will imply that A plus B is equal to 0, which implies A plus B and A bar plus C is equal to 0. Whereas if A is equal to 1, that implies A bar plus C is equal to 0, which again satisfies that A plus B into A bar plus C is equal to 0. Whereas if B plus C is equal to 1, as we know that y dot 1, that is y and 1 is always equal to y, B plus C equal to 1 implies that A plus B and A bar plus C and B plus C will always be equal to A plus B and A bar plus C. Thus, the theorem is satisfied for B plus C to be equal to 0 as well as for B plus C to be equal to 1, and hence the term B plus C is a redundant term, and the equation, that is A or B and A bar or C and B or C is always equal to A or B and A bar or C. Thus, the consensus theorem tells us that in any Boolean equation, by removing the redundant term, equation does not change its value. Thank you.